Hello there. In this video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to schedule a class on Congrea. I'm going to click on my course to webinar and then Congrea live online virtual engagement. So I'm taken to this page and I'll click on schedule a session. And click on add a session. In this platform, I'm going to choose the date and the time. So keep it 1st of May 2020, and then the time I'm gonna make it, let's see, 23. Right. And then here I'm going to choose my name as presenter. Yeah. And I'm going to make it for 30 minutes. So if you want the session to repeat, you can click on that, but it's just going to be a once-off session. So I'm done, and I'm going to click Save Changes. Right. Let's see. Okay. When I look at this, it shows that I've scheduled a class for this time up to for 30 minutes. Yes. So yep. Let's see if there's any upcoming session. So there's one session, and I can join that class. Let's see the features that we find in the Congrea virtual class. So it gives you, alright, here we inside the class, you would see different features. We're gonna talk about that later. And then you see the users. It's only me there, and you have the common chat. You can chat with the people that are taking part in the class, and you can also add a note and add a bookmark. So you have a whiteboard and you have a variety of options. If you want to, for example, for here, you click on it and then you can write whatever you want. shapes. You can, choose also the color of the shapes that you want. Text if you want to write, then you can enter text. And you can also choose the size, if you want small size or whatever. If you want to clear everything that you just wrote on the board, you can also just click here and everything will disappear. Right, and we also have option of document sharings. If you want to share something, you can click there and you get an option of what you want to choose. And also if you want to share videos, also you can click there and just download videos from your desktop or wherever you store them. And you have also the polls if you want to do the polls in the class, the quiz, text editor, and then share the presentation that you have. And if you want to end the session, you can end it by clicking here. So I think I have covered most of the features, and hope that was helpful. So yeah, before I forgot, there is this, you can actually mute yourself or unmute yourself by clicking here. So when there is a green button, so basically that means your mic is on. And then also for the video, the camera, once you click there, and then your camera will show, so you can see yourself. Yeah, so that's basically it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.